Hey guys, Emily here from the Wellington County Museum. We have 3 Christmas crafts for you to enjoy at home. One of them is a shimmering snow globe. You can also grow your own icicles, and you can make your own Christmas ornaments to decorate your Christmas tree or any part of your house that you'd like. We have some different clips that will show you step by step of how to make them, and we hope that you enjoy and have some fun. So here's how to make your shimmering snow globe. The things that you will need are 1 jar with a lid. You will also need a Christmas figurine, whichever one you like. Today we're going to be using a Christmas tree. You will also need a cotton ball, some snow with a little bit of glitter inside, and some glue. Now if you have it, a hot glue gun or Gorilla Glue would work the best for this craft, but if you don't, you can also use white school glue. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take the lid off of the jar, and we're going to put the bottom of the jar to the side for now and work with the lid. You're then going to take your figurine and your glue and just put a little bit of glue on the bottom. Kind of like this, and then stick it to the inside of the lid of the jar. Now if you're using white school glue, you will want to hold it down just a little bit so that it sticks. Then you're going to take your cotton ball and very, very gently pull it apart to make it look nice and light and fluffy, just like snow. You can pull it apart as much as you like, or you can even keep some of it together too. Totally up to you. So it should look a little bit like this.
Show that again, but lower. Yeah, higher a little bit more. Right there.
A little bit like this. Then you're going to take your glue and do a little bit of a ring around the bottom, around your figurine. And you can then take that cotton ball that you stretched out and put it around the figurine at the bottom. You can even do one part here and then take the next part and put it on the other side. Hold it down just a little bit so that it sticks. There we go. So that is the first part to making your shimmering snow globe. We're now going to take this lid and put it off to the side to dry while we work on the next part. For this next part, we're going to be using the bottom of the jar.
Bring the jar closer to you, right there.
Okay. For this next part, we're going to be using the bottom of the jar, and we're going to take this snow and glitter, and we're going to very, very carefully pour it inside. There we go. Give it a shake it around a little bit. Okay. Okay, so now that you've let your glue dry and you've got your snow and glitter in the jar, it's time to put it together. We're going to very carefully take the lid and you're going to put it upside down on top of the jar and twist shut. So then when you turn it upside down, you've got your snow globe. You can shake it around just like this. Ta-da! We hope you guys enjoyed these little craft workshops at home. Have a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We hope to see you again soon.